Hello everyone. So I hope everyone is doing great at their end and welcome to Advanced Excel Insights Tutorials Day 2. So before starting again, I would want to say if you are ready to level up your Excel skills and dive deep into the world of data analysis, then you are in the right tutorial. So on this channel, we bring you advanced Excel insights, techniques, powerful functions, automation tips, and real world examples which all are designed to help you work smarter and get ahead in your career. So guys, let's get started. So guys, today we will be working upon relative and absolute references, mixed references, and multiplication tables via tables. Okay, so here we will be working uh, on this table. Okay, so here is department A, department B, department C, department D, E, F, G, H, I, and the price of each quantity is 100, 200, 300, and it is still 900. Okay, so quantity is also given, price before uh, or charging GST and price after charging GST we have to find. Okay. So let's find out total sales. But guys, wait. Before starting it, I want you to read this. Relative references change when a formula is copied to another cell, and absolute references on the other hand remain constant no matter where they are copied. Okay, so let's get started. So I will be using some function here. Okay, some function, and I will be dragging this all prices of each departments. So I got 4,500 of the total sales of each quantity from all departments, and total quantities from all departments is equal to sum, again sum function, and it is 44. So total quantities from all departments is 44, and just multiplying from 4,500 to 44 to get the real price of all such quantities. Sorry, yeah. So is equal to multiplication sign and 44. Yeah. So it is 1,98,000 after multiplying both these the price and quantities of the departments, and it is before, this price is before charging GST. Okay, now we have to find out all the prices of all the departments. Okay, so one quantity charges 100 price, so 400 charges is equal to, it is really easy guys, so is equal to 100 multiplied by 4. Okay, and it is now just we have to drag it. Okay, so it is 1000, 2100, 800, 4000, 5400, 2100, 4000, and 900. Okay, so I got this total is 1,98,000 before charging GST. Now I just color it. Okay, yeah. So now let's calculate GST. Okay, so I will be using a dollar to log it. The 15% which is cell E2, because we are using relative and absolute references. Okay, so is equal to, and here dollar. Guys, and also please note, like, I don't have any the F4 function does not work on my device, but I'm simply using shift and dollar. But in other laptops or PCs or computers do have a F4 function, so you can use that also. Okay, so I'm using this, and into this, again dollar in middle, and just we have to do enter. So 15% of 400 is 60. Okay, now just we have to drag it upon it. Okay, so I got all the GST prices on charging it. Okay, and 15% on 1,98,000 is 29,700 of the total sales. Okay, now just we have to add to find out the total price of department A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, N. Okay, so is equal to sum. It's 460 guys, and I just have to drag it. Yeah, so it is coming. Okay, wait, something is going a little wrong. Yeah, is equal to sum. Yeah, so 2,27,700. Okay, so I got all the total price after charging GST. So this column or this price is after charging GST, which we have find it out uh, by using relative and absolute references. So guys, just go through it, and you can also practice in your home too. Okay, so let's do a second, which is mixed. Okay, so here is the months January, February, March, and it's still October. And here is some amount 5,761, 500, 5,512. Okay, so in which we have to keep this constant and this constant. Okay, so kindly read this. In this working, you will be seeing like column is constant, row is changing, row is constant, and column is changing. Okay, so let's keep this. Okay, so I will be doing this multiply. Okay, guys, don't forget to use dollar because we have to lock it. Okay, otherwise it will be an error for us. Okay, now I use dollar. And yeah, it's 57.61 guys. Now just drag it here. Okay, and you have to drag it till here. You don't have to step by step to do it. Okay, it's a little easy for you guys. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so you have done till this. So that's all guys. And in last multiplication table also here, the same thing we have did in mixed differences too. Just we will be locking this and this. Multiply. Yeah. So I got 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 4 is 4. So guys, if you see like here it is locked, and if we drag it here and move it till here, so I got all the tables till in a sequence way till 1 to 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, all the tables guys. Okay, so that is all for today guys. We have worked upon the references, relative and absolute references, mixed references, and multiplication table. So, and guys, wait, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and join your Excel community today. And if you have any question or tutorial request in private, so drop it in comments. We are here to help you and love hearing from you. So thanking you, and yeah, thank you so much.